Could you imagine how honey never spoils, or how a crocodile can't stick its tongue out? Strange, isn't it? Welcome to our exploration of the intriguing world of random facts. We're going to embark on a curious journey, revealing 10 surprising and lesser-known wonders of our world. From the unspoiled sweetness of a certain golden nectar, to the silent aquatic reptile and even a timeless fruit, we will reveal the mysteries one by one. Stay tuned as we dive into the first fascinating fact. Starting our countdown at number 10, did you know honey is the only food that does not spoil? Yes, the secret to honey's eternal shelf life lies in its chemistry. Honey possesses a low moisture content, which means bacteria and microorganisms can't survive in it. Additionally, its acidic pH creates an inhospitable environment for any would-be invaders. This perfect storm of preservation properties makes honey a sweet treat that truly stands the test of time. So, in essence, those honey jars could outlast us all. Moving on to number 9, ever seen a crocodile stick out its tongue? No, because it can't. Now, isn't that fascinating? Unlike most creatures, a crocodile's tongue isn't free to waggle about. It's securely attached to the roof of its mouth, rendering it immobile. This means that crocodiles can't stick their tongues out no matter how much they might want to. So if you ever find yourself face to face with a croc, remember this fun fact. So it's safe to say no crocodile can ever be accused of sticking out its tongue at anyone. Oh, at number 8, did you know that Africa is the only continent that covers 4 hemispheres? An intriguing geographical marvel. Africa straddles both the equator and the prime meridian. This unique position means it extends across the northern, southern, eastern, and western hemispheres. It's a landmass that stretches its limbs across the globe, from the scorching equator to the chilly poles, and from the eastern sunrise to the western sunset. Indeed, Africa is the continent with its feet in all corners of the world. Number 7, we're entering the realm of immortality. Meet the only creature that can cheat death, the Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish. This is no ordinary jellyfish. It possesses a truly extraordinary ability. When faced with a threat or simply aging, it can revert its cells back to their earliest form, effectively starting its life cycle anew. Imagine being able to hit the reset button on life. With this incredible ability, these jellyfish truly found the fountain of youth. At number 6, we're looking at the skies. Did you know all rainbows are actually full circles? This fascinating phenomenon is due to rain droplets refracting or bending light. But why don't we see the full circle? Well, the ground interrupts the lower part of this circle. However, if you're lucky enough to be high up with rain droplets all around, say in a plane or on a mountaintop, you might just catch a glimpse of a full circle rainbow. So every time you see a rainbow, remember there's more than meets the eye. Halfway through at number 5, it's not just humans who have unique fingerprints. Koalas do too. Now, isn't that a fascinating fact? These adorable marsupials from down under have fingerprints so remarkably similar to ours that they've managed to baffle crime scene investigators on more than one occasion. Yes, you heard that right. Koala fingerprints have been mistaken for human ones in criminal investigations. So, next time you're in Australia, be sure to check those fingerprints. At number 4, imagine taking a 100-year nap. Well, some turtles do. Now, this isn't your usual weekend lie-in. We're talking about a hibernation so deep, so profound that it can last up to a whole century. Yes, certain turtles, like the western box turtles, can hibernate for a whopping 100 years, their bodies slowing down to preserve energy and their heartbeats dropping to just 1 per minute. Incredible, isn't it? Talk about a power nap. Coming in at number 3, ever seen a floating raft of fire ants? In the face of adversity, these fiery insects showcase an amazing survival strategy. When floodwaters threaten their colonies, fire ants interlock their bodies, forming a buoyant raft. This living lifeboat can carry the entire colony, including the queen and her brood, to safety. They float until they reach dry land, demonstrating a remarkable example of unity and resilience in the natural world. Now that's what we call teamwork. Almost there at number 2, the pistol shrimp can make a noise louder than a jet engine, but it's nearly inaudible to human ears. This tiny sea creature, no bigger than your thumb, possesses a unique talent. In a snap, it can use its oversized claw to create a cavitation bubble. The collapse of this bubble results in a shockwave leading to one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. The sound is so high-pitched it's almost beyond human hearing range. Who knew such a small creature could create such a big noise? And finally, at number one, bananas don't actually grow on trees. They grow on giant herbs that just look like trees. It's quite remarkable, really. The banana plant, often mistaken for a tree, is actually the world's largest herbaceous flowering plant. Its tall, sturdy stem, which can reach up to 20 feet in height, is not wooden but made of tightly overlapped leaves. The fruit we all love so much, the banana, sprouts from a heart in the center of this fascinating plant. So, next time you grab a banana, remember it's the fruit of a herb. And there we have it, 10 fascinating facts that you probably didn't know before today. We've journeyed through the sweet mysteries of unspoiled sweetness, the silent world of crocodiles, the buoyant continents, the immortal jellies, the unseen spectrums of rainbows, the unique fingerprints we all carry, the slumbering giants, the floating fire ants, the inaudible shrimp, and the timeless fruits. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Remember, the world is full of wonders and learning never stops. Stay curious.